How to send a message in TikTok Lite. Launch the TikTok Lite app on your device. When you're on the home page, you can simply tap on the inbox at bottom right corner of the screen. And here, you can select the paperclip icon or paper-like icon at top right corner of the screen. And here, you can easily select any chat whom you want to send the direct message, or you can tap the plus button at top right corner and search for new chat. You can easily search and open, and here tap on the send a message and type in any message that you want to send as a direct message, and then you need to tap on send icon to send. Once you do that, you can easily send a message in this way. Or else, you can also open any one account here, and if they have a feature they have unlocked to send direct message, then you can easily tap on the direct message from their profile without following them, and you can send a message request in TikTok Lite. So these were the two ways to send a message in TikTok Lite. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.